guys, Kapper here. Let's take out the beast today and do a little wicked grapple action on that new land clearing spot. So let's go have some fun, but don't forget, if you like our stuff, hit the like button and share it for us to help us get it out there. So we're not quite in the golden boy status of YouTube, so all of you guys can really help us. So let's go have some fun and maybe finish up that land clearing spot, or at least get some progress. So let's go check it out. First time I got to fill up. It's got 20 hours on it, but they brought it at 7 hours with a full tank. So 13 hours it used the full tank, and I think it's 43 gallons. But remember, we were brush cutting and doing some high flow in there as well, but I thought it lasted quite a while. All right, I got the grapple bucket and the dirt bucket. We're gonna head out back and see how the dirt is. You can see how big that dirt bucket is. That 6-foot grapple fits completely inside of it with another 6 inches or so extra room on the end. Oh man, listen to them frogs, that's pretty cool. Okay, once again I made the mistake of filming just a little bit early, so these first few runs are going to be a little bit rough, but by the time I finished this I was much more adept with this thing and I knew the angles a lot better. But either way, you're going to get the idea. So let's have some fun and work on this clearing, and I also ended up pulling out some stumps to boot, but let's see how this is going to go. Alright, so here's a quick look. I just made a couple of swipes so far. It's still a little bit tacky as far as not quite being dry enough, but I'm going to just try to get the big stuff off of it and then let it dry some more. But it's working quite well. Those teeth are angled a little bit too high for me, so that's why I'm tipping the bucket down. I've actually plucked a few stumps with this already, so I'm just going to keep picking away. I mean, shoot, if I put an hour into this thing, I'm gonna have it half cleaned up, so let's keep going.
Exchange
Here's the after look. I'm calling it in for today, but it's substantially cleaned up. I got a bunch more roots out. Once I got the technique down, they actually come out, you know, a lot easier and a lot less strain on the machine, especially when it's soft. But I'll pick away at this here in the coming days. It's getting close where I'd probably run a tiller over it right now, you know, carefully, and you're gonna have to unclog it. And I may try the power rake now that the stumps are pretty much all out of here. So stay tuned, we'll see how it's gonna continue on.